2025 ShipOwner 427, the same that goes in the UK regarding 70% of jobs taken over by immigrants, most of them are with basic wages. Same thing is happening now in Spain, so we have a huge wage reduction for sure. Now, shipping has been traditionally very competitive in this respect. We have AI systems, we have international ASEAN labor force not entering the market but conquering the labor market for, let's say, 60 years. This is making other countries entering now in the labor market. We have America, we have Africa, and so all the Europe, it is leaving the sector, and we have many new countries entering. Other ship owners think about the language for 2025, deciding that, for example, Spanish is 26% more competitive than with English. Other ship owners are thinking about changing flags because some European flags have very limited endorsements, whilst we have Panama, Bahama, Bermuda, Marshall, Liberia that have most of the countries endorsing. So this is going to be a huge possibility to change. Some big softwares are very, very, very expensive for crew management, and others like add-ons are the right tailor-made that Candina has decided, whilst we also use for different countries many other softwares. But now the 2025 cost is going to fall regarding the ratings in 26 and 27. Why? Because we can see it in UK, in Spain, 70% of the jobs are going to be basic wages filled with immigrants, and this is a tendency in shipping for the long term too. Those companies like Candina, based with AI systems in databases, instructions, in compliance, in transparency, with enlistment contracts state of the art, reduced, and all these kind of systems, plus the flag, plus the software, are going to make 2025, 2026 very competitive and exciting. So please contact us so we have really tailored budgets and tricks to keep the talent, generate barriers. Thank you. Bye.